I miss that so much, man. Oh, that turbo sound is so
noise.
good. Yeah,
Turbo
so
noise.
good. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name's Chris. This is Driven by Boost. If you guys are new here, we like to do some car reviews, some vlogs. Today we're showcasing my good buddy Phil's APR Stage 3 Plus GOLFR. This car is incredibly awesome. It's built beautifully. So we're gonna go check it out. Thanks for coming to the channel, man. I really appreciate you coming out.
Excited?
Yeah, this GOLFR is easily one of my favorites in the area. It's built well. It looks awesome from the outside. So it looks like a carbon fiber wrap up front, right, and just a lot of other carbon fiber accents everywhere else. It just looks so good with the black paint. I mean, like, what else have you got done exterior-wise that we can touch on?
So, let's see, I bought the car brand new in 17. In like 6 months, I went to stage 2.
Okay.
I wrapped the roof right away, and I wrapped the mirrors in carbon fiber, and then really didn't do much for a while. But then we added a center wrap in carbon fiber. We did the front lip in carbon fiber. We did carbon fiber delete wrap. On the chrome / nickel, or whatever you want to call it, in the grill.
Okay, yeah.
So all that's carbon fiber. The Maxner diffuser's wrapped in carbon fiber. Kind of an epiphany of carbon fiber.
Yeah.
That really plays off of each other with some headlight accents and things like that. So it's kind of the theme I went with. We carried it under the hood and stuck with it. So.
Yeah, the hood is awesome. When you open it up, it's just breathtaking. See all the shiny carbon fiber pieces everywhere. It's awesome. I love that. So it's under the hood. We do have the Stage 3 Plus kit, right?
Correct.
So it's APR Stage 3 Plus kit, APR fueling with the port injection, and then you said the APR intercooler.
Correct. So intercooler, downpipe, full catback exhaust. So all the plumbing's been redone. So it's really stock block, stock internals. But running Stage 3 Plus. So.
Yeah, awesome. Did you go stock to Stage 3, or were you Stage 2 first and then went to Stage 3?
Bought the car stock, went to Stage 2 in about 6 months, and then had the car for about 1.5 years, 2 years. Hemmed and hawed about if I was going to keep it or not.
Yeah.
Made the 24-hour decision of I'm keeping the car, and made the phone call to go Stage 3 Plus. So
yes, awesome.
It was the decision of are you keeping it or not to make the investment, and I'm really glad I decided to keep the car because it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It's a lot of fun.
Oh yeah. And you said we're riding on Bilsteins?
Yeah, so B16, so it allowed me to keep the DCC functionality, so I can still use comfort mode, normal, and race, and custom. So it allows it to be super flexible, and I figured if I was going to pay for the option, why not keep it? So yes, it's a little more costly to keep it that way, but
yeah,
it's definitely worth the investment for sure.
Oh, absolutely. To still maintain that OEM,
yep,
changeability for the driver, for the suspension is just awesome. It definitely drives really, really well. miss that so much, man. Oh, that turbo sound is so
noise.
good. Yeah,
Turbo
so
noise.
good. So interior-wise, it's pretty much the centerpiece is the Talk custom wheel.
Yep. So the Talk custom wheel, the matching carbon fiber shift paddles, and then we did the P3 gauge that reads pretty much anything and everything you want it to do via boost, engine temperatures, and everything else you want it to do. So
yeah, that's the gauge is awesome. It blends in really nice at the front of the dash. It's you know, it's not obvious. It doesn't look too like ricey where it stands out like a monster boost gauge, but it's clean. It flows really well with the interior. I like it a lot. Oh man! And I think you got the Haldex tune, right?
correct. So
okay, cool.
About 2 to 3 months ago, I went with the United Motorsports Haldex tune, which helps to move power around from front wheel drive to actual 50-50 on acceleration. So if you're cruising on the highway, it shifts everything to front wheel drive to save the Haldex, and as soon as you get on it, it shifts all your power to front and rear at the same time. So it definitely feels like more of a push than a pull. So I think it takes some of the GTI feel out of it on the acceleration. Plus, there's no wheel hop whatsoever. So
Yeah, that's awesome.
it's much better.
Probably saves your Haldex in the long run with,
Yes.
with how much power you're making. I definitely noticed when I had my Haldex tuned, it felt more lively from a go. Like it didn't feel like it was like a sluggage, or you felt like the rear's engaged after the front went. It just kind of all felt simultaneously like a push.
Yeah, it felt immediately. It felt like I was more planted than before. So I can definitely tell you, especially when it got colder out. Even with all-wheel drive, there was a little bit of wheel hop from here and there.
Yeah.
Especially if you hit, hellacious tar line or something, or an expansion gap or something like that, you definitely feel it. But since then, the car's been like night and day. So
Yeah, that's awesome. So how long have you had the car Stage 3 for now?
So let's see, Stage 3 we did in November last year.
Okay.
So it was like right in the dead of winter, right in perfect time to not be able to get on a tuned car, but purposely did it over the winter just for time. But as soon as the weather broke, we were able to get the car out, and do some more lively things with it, and it's a totally different beast. So it's definitely a lot of fun. Definitely glad we made the decision to keep the car and modify the car. There's not a whole lot of them around, which makes it unique.
Definitely.
The GOLFR family is kind of a unique family to be a part of.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of an underground group that they do exist, but I also feel like it's one of those that exists now that you own one. You pay attention more, and you're like, wow, there's more than I thought there were.
Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely on that.
But it's still a niche group. It's a good group of people and a great community. So glad to be a part of it. That's for sure.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Bunch of awesome guys in the GOLFR community. And really in the golf community as a whole, it's it's a generally good, positive community to be a part of.
Right.
You just feel the power delivery. That turbo just pulls you so hard up top. Transmission's tuned, right?
Yeah, so along with Stage 2, you have to do the TCU tune through APR, so that's been done all along. And that tune sticks with it into Stage 3, so changes all your clamping pressures and all that kinds of stuff to allow the power to be handled by the transmission.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I noticed the transmission tune was a big difference when I had mine tuned. exhaust is perfect. It's not super droney. It's not, you know, obnoxiously straight piped, but it definitely that it's tuned and modified and aggressive, which is good.
It's its own personality and drive, and in sport, it changes the tonality a little bit.
Yeah.
And the version 1 of the exhaust has the drone box in it, so it gets rid of the drone at the 3,000 RPM. So.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. The drone box is key. Absolutely. Any future plans with the car?
We're going to do some wrap changes, some updates, some different things with that, and next we're going to upgrade the cooling system, bigger radiator, and auxiliary DSG cooler. Make sure we keep everything cool, because everybody knows the small motor heats the enemy, so
yeah,
we want to make sure we keep it as cool as possible. So that's the plans.
Awesome. Yeah, I mean, already this car is just fantastic, so I'm sure those little mods are just gonna elevate this build even more, you know. Awesome, dude. Well, thank you so much for coming out, man.
Absolutely.
I appreciate it.
A lot of fun.
Yeah, this car's beautiful. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for checking out Phil's awesome GOLFR. I will leave the description for his Instagram, for his car, in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Give him a follow. Definitely follow through with this guy's build, because it is awesome. Phil, any closing statements you want to say? Or?
No, I appreciate it. Make sure you follow this guy. Remember, it's not just about the car content, but it's about the guy creating it. So give him a like, give him a follow.
Thanks, Phil. Appreciate it, man. Thanks again, buddy. All right, guys, we'll see you.